Today I'm going to talk about this new product that we're going to launch and come out with that I'm super excited about, and I hope you guys are excited about it too. Everyone knows Rustico as being an amazing journal company. We have this quality leather, hand sewn. Our paper is very thick and archival quality, great for journaling, photo albums, you name it. One of our unique things now is we're able to print your customized artwork and pages in a book, just like this. So it's simple. All you have to do is upload a PDF file to the website, and then we'll create a hand-sewn journal for you with that content. So it's amazing because you can do so many different prints. You can print your instruction manuals, books, textbooks, your yoga class instructions, a report, a presentation, your genealogy, even a recipe book. You can do that as well. You can upload your personal legacy. So whatever you have digital as a PDF, upload it, we'll print it for you. The books range from a 2 signature, which I'll show you right here. So it's got 2 little stitch marks here and 2 signatures of books. So this can range from 1 to about 80 pages. If you submit a PDF that's lower than 46 pages, then we'll actually add in some blank pages in the back so it can get that added thickness. So if you're wanting to print just a couple page PDF, that's fine too. We can do that. We'll just add the extra blank pages in the back. It then moves up. If you start submitting more to like 100 to 200 pages, you might get one of these, which is a 3 signature hand sewn book. It'll move up to a 5 signature here, and even get up to a beefy whopper 10 signature book right here. So this can actually hold up to 400 pages. So that's about the max we can do. So yeah, these books are awesome. You're gonna be able to still personalize your name down here. You can put a date, write Nate's recipes, and then print your dad's recipe book or your grandma and grandpa's recipe book, or whatever you really want to print, you can do. So sky's the limit. Let us help you leave your legacy in one of these Rustico hand-sewn books. Get them today at rustico.com.